Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate a personal access token on GitHub in 2025. If you want to connect GitHub with other tools or automate tasks, this guide will walk you through step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to github.com. Log in with your account and then click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom of the Settings menu and click on Developer Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option called Personal Access Tokens. Click on it and then choose Tokens Classic. Next, on the right side, click on Generate New Token and then select Generate New Token Classic. At this point, GitHub will ask you to fill out some details. In the note field, type a description for why you're creating this token, for example, for project automation. Then set an expiration date to control how long the token will remain active. Below that, you'll see the Scopes section. Carefully check the permissions you want this token to have, depending on how you'll use it. For example, you can allow repo access, workflow access, or other features. Once you've selected everything, scroll down and click on Generate Token. And that's it. GitHub will create your token. Make sure to copy and save it immediately because you won't be able to view it again once you leave the page. Now you've successfully created a GitHub personal access token for 2025. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.